Hey guys, so I recently picked up this Plasplugs, I guess is how you say the brand of this. It's a chisel sharpener. That's the way it's set up right now. And it can also be used to sharpen like masonry bits, which we're not going to show in this video because I don't really mess with that too much. And so, important thing with chisels is the angle. You really want to match it with the angle it's on your chisel already. I'd sharpen this one just trying to get used to the thing here. I picked this up at a garage sale, yard sale thing, real cheap. It actually sharpened really good, as you can see, but it's tricky. That's why I wanted to make a video on it. Like, it's got this piece that these are magnets that slide back and forth. There's a little bit of play in it, so it kind of messes with you a little bit. Let me get you on the tripod and I'll show you more what I'm talking about. So you can fully adjust the angle, and it's set on 20 degrees approximately. And like, I don't know if that's the actual like angle it's supposed to be at, but it's pretty much perfect for these chisels I got on hand here. So depending on how your chisel's made, like how this one like flares out at the end, you have to pretty much put it in the center here, and kind of got to use both hands and kind of, it's got lines on here. You got to kind of square up the handle part of it with it. And you just got to feed it in until it just barely touches it like this. And keep going back and forth and slowly feeding it in, pressing like this. Then you pretty much want to count your passes on there, or at least get a pretty good idea of what you're doing. Then flip it over and do the other side the same way. What I like about this thing is, you know, you're going to get very consistent results, and also it's super quiet. It's made to be mounted down so it wouldn't be shaking as much like that. You just feed it in until it barely touches. Make sure it's square on here. And like I said, this one's already sharpened. You just do it as many times as it's necessary. Make sure you got safety glasses on while you're doing this, because you are grinding metal. So you see there, it gets a pretty good little edge on it. You can feel it. That's about what you want. So let's do another one. So this one is in really bad shape. So this is probably a better example. So it's going to pretty much have to be completely redone. I might touch this up, just kind of flatten this first with a regular grinder. And you can do this on a bench grinder too. I made a video several years ago on how to sharpen it on a bench grinder. And the same thing applies to wood chisels as well. Alright, so I just took an angle grinder and kind of flattened that top. Honestly, if one's this bad, I think you'd probably be better off to at least rough it in on a regular bench grinder. Then come back to this to get a better edge on it. Not that this won't do it, but it'll just take longer. So you got to pay attention. So apparently I don't have it sitting quite level because it's taking more off this side. Now it's starting to look a little bit better. I'm going to go ahead and switch to the other side, and we'll probably go back to it again. So it's already pretty much usable. It's got a good little edge back on it. I'm going to try to take it just a little bit more just to treat it to make it look better. Oh yeah, it looks good. Like I said, this one was in pretty bad shape. So now this is my old faithful, as I call it. I use this chisel all the time. It's a bigger one. It's a Stanley Fat Max 1.25 inch. Love this chisel. I still got a brand new one put back too. And this one's not bad. I'm going to go ahead and sharpen it off camera and show you what it looks like, just to show you that you can use it with a bigger chisel. Which on this, I kind of used a magnet and just kind of hold it flat like that. It's just going to take a lot longer to get it to come in. The angle might be off just a hair, but I think it'll be close enough. So it honestly looks like it's not done because of the edge, the ends on there, but it's actually more true than it was because it's truing up the edge that I've chewed up before, using on a bench grinder, which is perfectly fine if that's all you got. But this is more precise, and where this runs at a slower RPM, like this ain't even warm, so you're taking less chance of damaging the steel, so your chisels will hold up longer. So this is Plasplugs, I guess that's how you say it, model number DCS 407 US, 120 volt, 3000 RPM. Alright guys, here's a quick little video on this, and I thought it might be kind of interesting to try out. And I'm sure there's other attachments for this that's probably missing with it. There's only two that was with it. But yeah, it works good, and I like it. Questions, comments, suggestions for similar videos, feel free to leave me a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, guys.